Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It is the start of a new vlog, and I have a lot to do today with my husband and my kids. And I made sure to get a lot of work done Friday and yesterday. Today's Sunday. I made sure to get a lot of work done beforehand so that I could just have today to just fully focus on my family and do whatever we want and not have to worry about work. So the only thing that I need to do is add an edit, or I'm gonna have my husband add an edit to one of the vlogs that is supposed to be posted tomorrow. So by the time this is up, you would have already seen it. It's the cozy vlog. So he needs to help me with something with that edit because he's a videographer and he edits and he knows what he's doing and I don't always know. So he helped me edit that video. Once you see it, you can tell which videos. You'll start to pick up on what he helped me with and what I did on my own. So yeah, but need to do one more edit to that, and that's ready to be uploaded and scheduled. And then I need to take a thumbnail photo. My computer just came on. A thumbnail photo for that video. So those are really the only two things. We got the client work over to them early in advance. I told both of my clients that I would have their designs over to them before the 1st, or by the 1st, really. And they both got them earlier. So I just need to send a quick email, which I can do that in a car, to one of my clients to respond to something she said. But so far, everything is good. Everybody's happy. I'm super excited about that. So really, at this point, it's just, swapping out copy and adding some functionality here and there. But pretty much they're both in a good place to where if they wanted to launch next week, they could. So that's done. But I need to go pick up my kids. They're currently at my parents' house. They spent the night last night, and Keith and I need to go pick them up. But I'm gonna make a matcha because I finally got another matcha cup. My kids somehow broke all of my glass straws and cups that I had upstairs in the other unit. So I finally got a new cup. My mom got me one for Christmas, and I got another one at Target because it was on sale. So, because if you drink matcha, you put the ice, you want the thick, sturdy straw to like kind of stir it up a little bit. At least I do. So I'm gonna do that, and then fill up their cute new water bottles that my aunt got them yesterday, and then go pick them up, and then we can head on the road to what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah. So my aunt brought over these cute little cups for the girls yesterday. They were super excited. They just have the little cup, and then this is the little top. So a straw goes in here. I'm gonna get it in a second, but they have the option to sip out of this part or just this open hole right here. And then it has a little strap so they can wear them as crossbodies. Super, super cute. They love them. So, and she actually got, not knowing, she got them their favorite colors, and my oldest, this is hers. This is her favorite character. So I am super excited. I don't know, I get excited about these kind of things, but they love them. They like me. They like little cups and stationary things. So. So I think I told you guys in another vlog that I was going to get a bag that I think would be perfect for carrying around the DJI. And this is the bag. This is the Athleta brand. I don't know how to say it, but I know it's popular and it's like an activewear brand. But isn't this so cute? It has this little part right here, which is actually meant to hold your sunglasses or your eyeglasses. And this little pouch, they promote it as being a place to put your AirPods, which I have put them there and they fit perfectly. But this is the part that I was saying, I don't know if the DJI was going to fit here, and it does. As long as I don't have the case on. If I have the case on, it does fit, but it's pretty tight. But it by itself, it slips right down in there and it's perfectly fine. But actually part of today is me looking for a bigger bag that I saw on TikTok, of course. It's the Bagoo brand. You guys have probably heard of it, but I want a bigger bag that I can like carry more stuff in. So when I go to work, I don't have to carry this big old backpack. I can just throw my journals and everything that I need, like my essentials, in there. So I have a little bit more room to work with when I take things to work and not have to feel like I'm lugging around a huge backpack, because it gets pretty heavy and pretty full for no reason. So that's what I'll be doing today once we pick up the girls. But I just wanted to show you guys this and tell you that it does fit the camera. So if you get this camera, this is a cool travel bag that you can use if you're going around, on a trip and you're going sightseeing around the city or country, wherever you are. This holds, it's small, but it holds pretty much everything that I have, like everything that I need. I could put the camera in this part, but it's really cool to just go here because I can literally just unsnap it and pull the camera out when I need it and put it back when I need it, when I don't. So yeah, we gotta go get the kids and I'll see you guys in a second.
So I come out to my car today. Actually, I was making sure that I had like air in the tire. I was about to put some gas in the car because Jess was supposed to go to Columbus today with her best friend. And I come out to find my window is shattered, like my windshield. So, I don't know. Start a new year, but I feel like it's one of those things where you can't focus on the negatives. You can just focus on the positives. And the positive is, I've had my grandmother's Mercedes like pretty much for like a week because she can't really drive anymore, so I kind of just stole her car. And I'm glad that I did not have her car because I would not have heard the end of it if somebody shattered her windshield.
I wasn't even thinking about that.
So that's the positive in the situation. It sucks that I got to pay for it, but hey, it's life.
And just for reference, I don't know if I can get it because the sun was in the way, but look at that. Oh yeah, it's coming up real good. Look how bad that is. These are the best journals.
This?
And but they're lined. Put that down, Leah.
What about this?
Put it down. These are lined and they're $45. But this print is so cute for the moleskin. I wish they made the dotted journals in cute prints like this more often. But they just had like, I got the artist version, which was like a purple one. Put that down. Oh, they have such cute stuff here. This is like all the stuff they love.
Look, Mom, what is this?
It's a bubble tea.
Mom, look.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, look at this one.
Collapsible little crates. Those are cute for college students.
This one.
Okay, so as you can see, we did find the bags, the Bagoo bags in Urban Outfitters, but they did not have the colors that I want. I'm so glad that I did not order that ivory color that I tried on because I don't like that color in person. It's cute, but it's not for me. It's a little too white. I thought it was more of a cream, like an off-white. And I have kids and I'm sure that those bags are easy to clean, but I just don't want to have to do that. So I kind of want a darker color. I really like the idea of the dark green one that they have, but I'm leaning, and I saw the all black one too, and I think I'm leaning towards the brown and black, which I'll put up here, or I'll show you guys when I go and order one, because I think I know what color I want now, seeing them in person.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왠지 껴내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows.
So I'm getting ready to go on an outing with my kids and my husband. I think we're getting ready to go to Ikea because both of us, Keith and I, really want to get our desk setups together because I just miss my setup. And I found that creating reels without my setup or any type of like cohesiveness or at least cable management under the desk is really hard for me. So we're gonna go to Ikea and kind of look around there, but I wanted to show you guys the color that I ended up getting for the bag. The bag that I showed you guys at the beginning of the vlog, they didn't have this color in store, but I did end up getting the brown, and I think it's so cute. I really love this color combo with the black and brown. I feel like it matches everything that I have. I wear a lot of neutrals, but yes, I love this bag so much. It is so simple, and a lot of people probably think it's ugly, but I think it is so cute and it is so functional. Like, I can fit so much in here. I literally fit my iPad, my work computer, my planner, my Switch OLED, which is bigger than the light. I don't know how all of that fits in here, but it does. It's like a Mary Poppins bag, but I am so excited. And sorry about the dirty mirror. My kids come in here, play dress up, and put their fingerprints all over it. But yeah, this is what I got. So came here for inspiration for the desk setup, but I feel like I didn't really find anything. I don't know if I really got inspiration and I didn't really see anything. So I came here without like any ideas. I just wanted to see what was here. So I'm just gonna go on Pinterest and try to put together a mood board, and then maybe we can have better luck coming here to actually shop for things. So I kind of want to put up more shelves, but I also like the idea of my hedge wall, but doing a mixture, but that wall is much bigger, so we need to measure it, but we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. We just got home from running around and doing all the things we wanted to do. You guys saw that we went to Ikea. We did not make it to the Tesla dealership or any other place that sells Teslas because we just didn't have time. It was just cold. We were ready to come home. It is freezing out there. It's officially wintertime in Ohio. But anyway, I just wanted to say this is something that my husband got me today. It's the Valentino Coral Fantasy. I had Valentino. This is a perfume, by the way. But I had Valentino. Well, actually, my husband had Valentino, and it was the men's version. And I basically took it over. This was like maybe 2 summers ago. I took over that. It became mine. I was wearing his cologne every day, and I got so many compliments on that every time. I went somewhere, somebody's like, what are you wearing? And it was the men's cologne, because sometimes I feel like men's cologne is better than women's perfume. Let me know. Do y'all feel the same way? I feel like sometimes our perfume is a little too perfumey. But anyway, he got me that one. I smelled that one in the store. It smells amazing. Valentino is probably my favorite fragrance. And then I think next I'm gonna do Juicy Couture, the gold, I think is what it was called. But yeah, I was excited to get that because I haven't had a good like perfume in a while. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna bake some cookies for the kids, clean up a little bit, and I'm gonna move to code. So I'm gonna go do some coding and work on the rest of this project to finish that up, and I'll be done. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys. I hope you're staying safe and healthy wherever you are, and that all the blessings are pouring onto you. So I'll see you guys in the next video.